Welcome to my channel, Beshama Entrepreneur, also known as Pencil and Eraser channel. My name is Olafusi Alex Kolawole. So today, let me just talk about one area that you can invest in as entrepreneur or investor in earth industry, and that's what I call earth financing. Many people want to do business, especially health workers, doctors, nurses, pharmacists, veterinary doctors, dentists, and so on and so forth. They want to do business, but the problem is how to source funds. And in our conventional banks, it's difficult to get loan, but nowadays we have some banks that will give you a month loan. Maybe when they give you 50,000, like what Access Bank is doing, then when they give you 50,000 within a month. And there was a time they changed it to 3 months. It just adds stipends, little interest you pay. That was good. But we have identified an area that you can invest in, and that is earth financing. A good example in Chef Life.
Chef Life basically is just for you to understand in simple terms. We are like the regular wholesalers that you know, but what we do differently is that we supply you drugs up front for free. It means that we stock your shop for free for you, then you keep paying gradually as you're selling. It means that we will never at any point in time come to ask you for what you've not sold. We will never ask you to pay up for what you've not sold. It means even if they supply you 500,000 worth of drugs today, if it is only 10,000 you sold this week, it's only 10,000 you pay. You keep paying gradually until you are done paying. That is how we operate. Also, what we do at you, apart from free of phone stocking, is also that we handle your inventory. It means that we help you to count your stock also every week, so you can help you to know which ones are moving faster, which ones are moving slow. And also, we also help you manage expiration. It means that if any drug is expiring in your shop or about to soon expire, we will come to your shop and take it away, and I'll give you batches of those drugs. This is what we do to help you. You understand that coming out from a year like 2020, it's so burdensome and it's not easy to keep up with your business. And we understand that you have other things you want to use your money for, not just your business and every other thing. So it is a platform for you to help you run your business at ease and giving you a financial aid.
3 months ago, they came up with this beautiful plan, beautiful package that for both pharmacists and patent medicine vendors. What they do is that if you are licensed, you have PCN license, they work with you. The problem is many people want to get license. They are processing their license, but it takes time, especially in Lagos. It shouldn't be. Once people register, once people submit their form, you call them for exam fast. If you cannot do it alone, work with the association. Is it too difficult to do? Chef Life is coming in now to finance healthcare providers, especially those in retail pharmacy, drug business. So you can also look at that area. You work with the association, maybe LSMDA in Lagos, NAPMED in Lagos or in Nigeria. NAPMED is everywhere. Mushin Wholesalers, any association. Go to the state, ask people there, which association do you have there? Identify with their president or their chairman. Talk to them that this is the program I have. So you can devote money. You can finance health projects. Hospital want to do, they want to bring a dialysis center, they want to do kidney center. Finance them. You go into an agreement. Write this, okay, on so commission. That's it. The example of Chef Life I'm talking about, What they do is they give you products. You go into an agreement with them. They give you products, and their drugs are okay. When you look at their price list, I've seen it. Tell them I need so. Maybe it's 200,000, 150,000. They deliver it to you, and not only that, they help you to monitor your inventory. And as you are selling, you are paying them. What I have not sold, bring the money. No, I love that idea. So you can develop something like that, or better. Or you may decide to give loan, soft loan to people. The healthcare provider is for these people. Like we used to have in Nigeria a radio station that is dedicated to sport and sport alone. Same thing. You can invest, get some financial gurus, some financial business that are smart, that we're able to work on the template. Okay, if we give you social loan, if we are giving you 200,000, this is how much you pay, this is how you spread it. It's a good area to invest. So I'm calling banks also, microfinance bank, partner with these associations. If you go individually, as in to meet individual business owner, it may be difficult, but you can work with their association. This is our plan for you. I've seen one insurance company that did it with NAPMED. Insure people. It's good, pretty good, because insurance is also part of business. You should consider insurance whatever business you are doing. You can go into health financing. The association can come together and have a cooperative society. The modus operandi. Maybe you need to register with Ministry of Commerce, set up a health cooperative society like NAPMED used to have NAMCOS. You understand? You can have a microfinance that is specially dedicated to health workers to finance their projects. So what you are doing is you are helping the Millennium MDG goals of achieving net for all by 2030. That's one of the areas you can come in. You can help. People don't have to travel miles before they access medical services. So give loan to people. Most of these women that are selling drugs, you give them 50,000, 100,000. It will go a long way in their business. So people just need that little push. So then, not only that, when you do that, help them to track their sales. Track it. Their inventory. Some don't know. Bring them together. Teach them. How to be financially prudent. Some people, when they get loan, I've seen so many of them. When they get loan, the next thing they remember is, I need to sell to so person. I need to buy so Ashwebi. No. Like Chef Life, they will not give you money in cash, but they give you in products. And they also help you to monitor your sales. They know that, okay, in this place, this woman is selling more of paracetamol, or is selling more of ACT. Okay, she's selling more of a cough syrup, and so on and so forth. So that the next they will be able to advise you. So you can do the same thing, but not free. So health financing to me is a good area to invest. Invest. You want to do any project, invest. I know one thing with medical or health care services is that you make your money back. That's for sure. You make your money back. Somebody want to set up a diagnostic center, maybe it needs like a 5 million, and you have one money that is waiting. Go into an agreement. Association, please, do you know this person? Okay, you bring 2 guarantors, this thing. Set up the place. Be in the process. Some of them will collect the money and japa. Sorry for that slang. Be in the process. Let them set it up. Once in a while, have your this thing there to monitor this thing, and they are paying back gradually. Before you know, the next 1-2 years, maybe you give them 5 million. They have to pay some things on it. Gradually, you get back. As you are paying, you are using it. You are giving another person. Gradually, you are making it. You can go into partnership. But health financing generally is a very good area. You can give personal loans. You can give assistance in building. You can build. build. You have a prototype, a model. You build. You know the distance between. You can build. Fix people there. They pay gradually. Health industry is a very lucrative industry. Very lucrative, especially if you know what you are doing. So you can consider health financing, as a healthpreneur. To me, I think it's very good. Many people want to do business, but they are hampered by lack of money to do business. So you can break them into groups, go to the association meeting, talk to them, interact with them, like all this lapo grooming stuff. Let's have things like that in healthcare industry. Let's have something like that. Then another way you can help them is for people that need license. You can help them to get their license. You can be the middleman between them and the government. Many people really want to have license, but the task, some people will tell you, I've been applying for years. Tell them what they need to do, what they need to know. If they don't know it, then tell them in plain terms. Not that people will do exam for years, they are waiting for their result again. It's not supposed to be. So we need agencies, we need companies, we need associations that will come together to help people in healthcare industry. People that want to acquire their license, make it easy for them to acquire license. So we need people. I think it's still part of this health financing of a team. Liaise with the association, liaise with either PCN, a farmer, or whatever. Let people know what to do. And by that, we are helping ourselves. We are helping the community. We are helping ourselves to achieve health for all. Consider health financing, please. We need people in that department. People want to do business, I can tell you. People want to do business. Just need a template. Get some guys very good in technology, can monitor. I have a Phoenix Light. I think they've changed their name to Mason now. At the initial stage, they gave it out on loan. I pay a particular amount every month. Once you got to that point and you have not renewed your subscription payment, your life goes up. How were they able to do it? So the same thing we can do. Send a reminder. Don't forget this thing is due in 1 week. Please pay. And what people know, it's true. Okay, they will send it. Make it easy for them. Do not charge them excessively. Because at times, most of the work in healthcare is on a humanitarian work. Especially people that are the grassroots. Even some people, you have to give them money to buy food. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, to have more informative and educative video. Hit the bell notification, subscribe to my channel, watch, share and like my videos. Thank you very much. I love you. Your health is important. Guard it jealously. See you soon.